epic. Oh guys, this is up the street from me. I think I was here last year, and I think I had Lady. This is just beautiful pasture land. Come on, Lady. The people want to see the pasture. They don't want to see, and you're making me distracted. Anyway, over here we have some pre-existing farm cellar holes, and they are to be explored. This is the iconic tree that I took a picture of. I mean, the profile, the way it presents itself. Unbelievable. What an amazing tree. I'll put the location and any information in the down below. Come on, Lady. People want to see the cellar hole. Over here. There she goes. Yeah, so like, this is a decent cellar hole. Sometimes cellar holes can be pretty washed out and everything. This is a pair of them. Oh, that's a good wall. Now I'll show you over here. Lady's checking stuff out. She loves this spot. I love bringing her over here. Look at that. That's pretty extensive. Like I was saying, like usually you go to a cellar hole and either the rocks have fallen in or otherwise disturbed. But these are actually pretty nice. Checking in. Lady, leave the cat alone. Come on. What do you think, Lady? Best place ever? She loves it. Wow, is it beautiful.